Hey, this is PV from the SolRIP team, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use our 0% fee coupons. First thing, connect your wallet, go to the CNFTs page. If you have one coupon available, it will show up here, and then you activate your coupon. Once it's active, you can select what you want to burn. You will see that it's active here. Let's burn these empty accounts. You can see your savings here. Let's go ahead with the burn. If you, for example, decide to cancel, your coupon will still be active. It will be active until your next burn, which will be 100% free. So let's go, select it again, go ahead with the burn, and that's it. This is all you have to do. And now that you have completed your burn, you can share it on Twitter or you can burn more. That's it for me today. Keep your wallet safe and clean.